How to wipe cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, we need to boot into the Android recovery menu. So press on the side button here, press and hold. This will bring up the power menu. Then tap on power off and then tap on power off again to turn off the device. Now wait for the phone to completely switch off. Then we need to press on the volume up plus the side button simultaneously. So let's do it now. Press on the volume up and the side button. Press on both keys and hold. Now press and hold until you see the Android recovery menu. Press and hold. Okay, next we're going to use the volume down button. So press on the volume down button to move to the next menu item. So go down until you see it said wipe cache partition. Then press on the side button here to select. Now go down, so press on the volume down and select yes. So select on yes, and then you can see at the bottom here it will say wiping cache, formatting cache, cache wipe complete, cache wipe complete. And that's it. So that is how you can wipe cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy A15. After that, press on the power button to reboot your system now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.